Dr. Pravina from Manipur. I have completed my bachelor's degree in interior design from Sharda University, and in 2016 it was a 4 year course. Since design department has got diverse streams like product, fashion, animation, and industrial design, we got to learn and experience so many things while we work together for art exhibition, choruses, etc. As these festivities and exhibitions are being organized in the campus. So overall, it was a fun and interesting experience. To add on, Sharda University is a huge campus with diverse departments. So learn and experience as much as you can while you are in the university.